you guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. My name is Diona, and today I am installing a wig from YMY You Meet Yourself, You Meet Yourself Hair. You meet yourself when you seek beauty. So YMY Hair. All the information for this hair, of course, will be in the description box below. So this wig, as you can tell by the thumbnail, is a loose wave, deep wave, water wave, a wavy wig. So this is their 24-inch 5x7 pre-cut glueless, or wig that you can wear glueless wig, and pre-bleached. So it looks like this because I co-washed the hair, but the hair comes like, the curls are like a lot tighter, if that makes sense. It's like, you know, when you first buy a wig and you don't wash it, like everything is like tight. Like, I don't like wearing loose wave hair fresh out the box. I like to give it a co-wash so that I can wear the curls like and it's like, you know, real texture. So this is what the real texture of the hair will look like after you co-wash it, should you choose to co-wash it. If not, the curls are going to be a lot tighter. This is their 180 density, and the wig comes with a tag, but it looks like this on the inside. So this is a 5x7 closure, so it looks like this, and it comes pre-bleached and pre-cut. The inside has an elastic band on here already for you, and there aren't any combs or anything. It's just a dome cap that looks like this with just the elastic band. And so yeah, this is the wig. I really love the curl pattern, so I'm excited to go ahead and get started with installing this wig. I love a wavy wig. In the box though, I just want to show you really quickly what comes with it. So I got a wig band, an edge brush because I need another one, some lashes, and that's it. So that's what came in the box. So let's go ahead and get into the video so I can show you how easy it is to install this wig. All right, so first and foremost, one too many times I come on this camera just look at all kinds of crazy, and you know what, I just don't care anymore. Like, it is what it is. I'm showing you the real me. This is what I look like. I tried to slick back my edges a little bit with my, what do you call it, my edge control, this stuff right here, but it's time for me to wash my hair, and it looked crazy, y'all, so whatever. But I'm just going to, I am going to use a wig cap for this install. I know when I do like some closure wigs, I like fluctuate between using a wig cap and not, because honestly you don't need one. But what makes me want to use a wig cap is how crazy my real hair be looking underneath. And it's like, I just like using a wig cap because it just makes everything look more tame. You see what I'm saying? Like, okay, so now I feel better about my life because I have a wig cap on and this is slicked back and I don't look like boo boo the fool. But by all means, if you can braid your hair better or slick it back better, you don't need a wig cap, honestly. So since I decided to use a wig cap, I am going to just color it using my cream makeup, if I can freaking find it. Oh, there it is. So I'm gonna color my wig cap using my cream makeup from Ruby Kisses. I got this from Amazon, and then I'm just taking my flat top brush here that I got, I don't even know where I got this from, y'all. I'm just gonna put it all over the wig cap like this, per usual. I may actually wind up sliding the wig cap off, as I do a lot, especially with these like glueless wigs. Since it's not glued down, it's very easy to take it off. So you can always start with the wig cap on and then take it off later if you decide this is not for you. Alright, so this is on. One thing I like about the wig is I like a wig that comes with like a tag like this. Like, make me feel official. This is only like the second time I've seen a wig come like this, but of course we don't need it. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut it off. And now I'm just gonna adjust the wig band, which it already looks like it's pretty tight. So I'm just gonna try it on and see what it's fitting like. It's still a little wet. The hair is, the cap, I made sure to dry the cap, but the hair itself is still kind of damp. This band is kind of tight. So I'm like, ooh, I just made it tighter, oh Lord, ooh, sheesh. Okay. So yeah, let me tell you, that is a good wig band because it will certainly keep this from slipping and sliding all over your head. So the installation of these wigs are always super easy. So I mean, technically the wig is installed and it's on here. Ow, ow, ow. What was that? Something hurt my ear. And I continue to do it. Anyways, I'm holding my ears because my earrings are very big. But anyways, yeah, shaking it, it's not falling off. Good shake test per usual. But now it's time to style it. And I'm trying to figure out like how I want to style this hair. Like, do I want to do just a regular middle part? Because, you know, I'm gonna wait for the curls to dry. Or do I want to do like a flip over? Or maybe I could just do both. So I decided I want a middle part in this wig. So one thing I like is that the parting space is really good. So it's really easy to like part it however you want to. It didn't come with like, as far as I remember anyway, it didn't come with like a part already in it. I don't think, but or it may have came with a middle part and then I just washed it out, but I'm just gonna put a middle part back in. So that is the middle part. And then I'm gonna do my edges on each side of the part, or my baby hairs anyway, on each side. Then I'm just using my Eco Style gel to swoop my little edges. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it. Alright, so while my edges sit, I am going to just like define the parting space in the wig. As I was doing the baby hairs, I noticed that the hairline around the front was a little thick. I should have plucked that, but I don't feel like it. It's too late now. So I'm just gonna leave it as is. So it may look a little thick, which makes sense why the damn edges was looking thick. But so now I'm just using my wax stick and my Got To Be Free spray and just like pushing back the hairline pretty much. So the curls are already like drying a little bit, but I think I'm gonna put some mousse on it because it's looking a little frizzy like around my face. So for this hair, I'm using my Afoji Styling Wrap mousse. I usually use my, I think it's Cream of Nature mousse with curly hair, but with this hair, I feel like I need more of a like firm hold when it comes to these curls because I feel it feels very lightweight. So I'm just gonna put this mousse on it, and I'm not even gonna brush through it. I'm just literally gonna comb through it with my fingers and put some on the ends, and then I'm just gonna scrunch it. This hair is very lightweight. I know it's 180 density, but it feels like 150, like the way it's light, or maybe like the hair is just light, but it's also like 24 inches. So it's not very long either, but it just doesn't feel like a ton of hair on your head, which is good for people that don't like a bunch of hair on their head. Honestly, like if you get hot easily or something like that, this will be a good wig for you. If you just want something lightweight, and like even though it's lightweight, it doesn't look super thin or anything like that. So you still get that like full look, but it doesn't feel like that, you know? All right, that's cute. And then that is pretty much it for this style. I'm just gonna let my edges sit for a little while, and I'm gonna let this hair like dry pretty much, but I'm just gonna let you see what it looks like. If you like the wet look, this is what their hair will look like. And the style I have on a hoodie, I don't know if you can like get a good idea, but it comes like to my middle of my back, and this is 24 inches. And looks like that. This is really cute. Like this cute little body wave wig. Is this body wave? No, this is loose wave. Loose wave wig. I like these type of wigs because you really don't have to do anything to it, like as far as styling, because it's already curled. So really all you have to do is just define the curls and keep it moving. These are the easiest types of wigs to do, honestly. Like even easier than like a straight wig, because straight wigs, sometimes you be debating if you should like put curls in it or do whatever, so it's not straight. You don't have to do all that with this. Last thing that I'm just gonna do is take some Fuji Gloss Therapy Polisher Spray, and I'm just gonna spray it on the hair very lightly, just to not weigh it down, but I want like a shine, you know what I'm saying? So as it dries, I just want to give it like this extra gloss and shine. Go on and take this off. Okay, that was better. And the hair is starting to dry already, so you can get a good idea of what it's gonna look like. But I'll let you see in the B-roll at the beginning of the video a better idea of what it looks like fully dry. It's like still drying, but you get the idea. Ooh, it's cute. It's like a cute, it's so lightweight. This is like the lightest freaking loose wave wig probably that I've ever had. It really feels like there's nothing on my head, which is crazy. So yeah, I really like this wig. It's really cute. It was simple. It didn't take too much to do. And the wave is really cute, and it's lightweight, and I didn't have any issues. Oh yeah, I co-washed it, and I didn't get like a ton of shedding or anything like that, or tangling. So yeah, this is like a really, really cute hair. So if you want to check it out, all the information for this hair will be in the description box below. And thank y'all so much for watching this video. Adios. I don't know why I started talking like that, but adios till next time.